We have an online academy for young people called the Greatness Factory for Kids. And what we put in there is we took all the stuff that I taught when I was a coach and we condensed it into short segments. So my daughter's school is using it. They watch it every week. Confidence, bounce back, how to handle rejection, how to lead a group, how to communicate. No matter where I go in the country, when I talk about that, people are immediately interested. Okay, because remember what I said, how many hours did I spend with those players when I was coaching? 5.5 hours a day for 4 years, 1,300 hours. So who's coaching your kid matters. We're about to roll out the Michael Burt Institute of Emotional Toughness, Confidence, and Success Readiness for young people. And that's going to be a physical space that people can send kids to. We're going to train them. But I think we need to take some of your connection stuff and put it into our Kids Academy.
Well, that's why I'm hanging out with
sure.
you. I like what you're saying. I got to get on board with what the coach is saying over here. I got to grab
All right, so hey, thank you. We owe you.
No, thank you. Thank you, guys. Thank you.